We gotta show Taylor's video.
Hold on a minute.
I can just go a really big one because your parents are like right there. Kind of rude.
Let's do it. Ooh.
No. Why you put that out?
Ooh. Just do it. Do it. Make a big one.
You do it.
Oh, okay. That's kind of.
What's the point of doing that?
What? I don't know. Just do a really big one. Like as big as you can. Just burp right in the camera. Was that a burp?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantastic.
That was long.
Try not to get a really big one.
Let's go outside and do it. Okay, right out. That's right.
I'll follow you right
Yeah,
outside.
do it.
We're gonna balance to make a really big burp. But it's wet. Your socks are gonna get wet.
Gotta get the shoes.
You go get the shoes and I'll just open the door. That's a really big burp. Woo, big burp. You see your head? I just missed it too. Okay. Wait, hold on. Hold this. Alright, hold this at your face. Don't go near it.
Okay. Taylor, these burps are gonna top you. Wait. Oh, shit. This is like what you call it? High def.
I know, right?
Hold on. How's this funny?
I don't know.
No, I don't know. Oh, it's kind of cold. Here, I did it.